Hello, my dears, I am Simona, and I am just happy to welcome you to my YouTube cooking channel. Today, I want to share with you a restaurant style recipe, an amazing salmon and shrimp rice bowl. I have used teriyaki sauce, homemade teriyaki sauce. Let's get started. She's perfect. Here we have the moment of truth. Let me see. Let's try this perfect bite. I have the shrimp here. So good. What I can say about this, about this shrimp and that bite, spaziale. This is the second bite, which I'm pretty sure will be also perfect. I have the salmon, I have the rice, I have edamame, I have a tomato and sauce. Let's go. Spaziale. Delicious. My dears, thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.